Can you do intermittent fasting with the keto diet? Intermittent fasting is becoming very popular in the United States. Let's face it. Diets contain the word "die." There's something negative about a diet. You know it, and everybody else who has gone on a diet and failed knows it. The concept of dying is a negative concept. This is very easy to see. It means loss. It means getting left behind. It means disappearing. People don't like that. They have a psychological aversion to lose such things, and it is no surprise that most people fail with diets. It's not like they failed to lose weight. That's not the issue. Most diets do work at that level. They will help you shed a few pounds. The problem is being able to keep the pounds off. In other words, it's all about sustainability, and this is where most diets fail. The reason is because people feel that they are denying themselves. They're supposed to eat certain foods and cut out other foods. It happens so quick and so abrupt that they don't have enough time to adjust. In other words, the diet remains a diet. It doesn't become part of their lifestyle. They never fully accept it. They never really wrap their mind around it to transform their mind and change their lives. None of that happens. Instead, it becomes just one band-aid solution on top of all the other failed band-aids that they have used in the past. I know this all sounds discouraging, but the truth is the keto diet is something different. Keto celebrates fatty, guilty food. If you love eating, you know full well that fatty foods make you feel good. They make you feel satisfied. They fill you up for a longer period. Your body sends less hunger signals in the course of a day thanks to all the fatty food you ate. But you are also racked with guilt. This is why the keto diet has been embraced with open arms in America and Europe and elsewhere. It proclaims the good news that you can engage in your guilty pleasures and not have to apologize for them. You don't have to feel dirty. You don't have to feel guilty. You don't have to feel like you are putting your life in danger. As long as you follow the keto diet rules, you will be fine even if you load up on fatty food. This is food that you're not supposed to eat. This is food that's supposed to be off limits to you. You've heard that for decades. Now, it turns out that fat is not the food demon that the scientific establishment has painted it out to be. Turbocharge the effect of your keto diet. The downside with a keto diet is that involves a transition. You can graduate into it. You can ease into it. But it still requires a transition. This is where the intermittent fasting protocol comes in. Intermittent fasting is so popular because it focuses on when you eat, not what you eat. You can eat like a pig as long as you eat within a certain time frame. Sounds awesome, right? It is no surprise that people are getting on the intermittent fasting bandwagon like it's nobody's business. They really are. Here is the good news. You can turbocharge the benefits that you get with the keto diet or intermittent fasting standing alone separately by combining them. By going on a keto diet and eating within the specific time frame prescribed by an intermittent fasting protocol, you will be able to stick to your keto diet and optimize its results. Isn't that awesome? If you want to optimize your chances of permanent weight loss, click the link below for the Bulletproof Keto Diet solution. It's very easy to get excited by the keto diet. In fact, it's very easy to treat it just as another diet. However, let me tell you, if you treat it like any other diet, you are going to fail. By failure, I'm talking about your inability to keep the pounds off sustainably. The bottom line is simple. It's not enough to lose weight. Anybody can do that. Almost any diet can help you do that. You have to aim for something higher. You have to aim for sustainable weight loss. Paired with intermittent fasting in accordance with the blueprint you can download by clicking here, the keto diet will enable you to achieve sustainable weight loss.